Okay, we're going to have a look at the finished product there. We're running the little Turnigy 1100 kV
so we've got
there.
the Turnigy ER9X. Now you can see here, hopefully, I've got a bit of expo sorted out there, so on the throttle. Okay, so when it's in the centre and switching from forward to reverse, it's a little bit smoother than just linear. So let's have a look. Before we do that, one of the things, this is the three-way switch that I've got my arming on, so that's armed, disarmed, okay, and it's in horizon, so it's all in horizon. Okay, so when you're at the bottom throttle setting and you connect, it's not till you get to halfway that the motors come on, and then they stay on when you're armed, obviously. So full stick forward 0, full stick backwards 0. So you have to actually turn it off to actually get the motors to stop spinning. So I'll show you what it looks like. We'll connect up the power and you'll hear the little ESCs. That old familiar sound. The 328p board will go through its warm-up sequence. Okay, so it's ready to go. So you can see here, armed doesn't do anything. Now you watch and see what happens when I start putting up the throttle. You'll be able to hear actually. So that's forward, and then reverse. You can hear it. Hopefully you can get that in the picture. So disarmed, okay, armed, up on the throttle to midpoint, so there you go, and then reverse. So we're getting there.